Hello everyone. So in MySQL there is something called as group by. It is one of the features of MySQL by using which we can group the data and do various operations on that group data. So in this case I have a list of employees and one of the columns is employee department. So let me show you how many departments do I have here. So I can do select distinct employee department from employees, which is my table name. Okay, so these four departments I have, and now I want to find out the maximum salary in each the department the employee has. How can I do that? Using group by feature. And how can I use it? I can use it like select employee department and then I'll use max function. Max what? We have to find out the maximum salary. So employee salary. Now these are my column names, this employee department, employee salary. After that, from employees, which is my table name, then group by. Group by what? Group by employee department, like this. So you see here in the query I have mentioned employee department, so I have employee department here. I have mentioned the maximum employee salary, so we have got employee salary also. If I remove this column from here, employee department, then run the query, then we will get only the employee salary, which is the max one. Let me put it back, employee department. So here we have got the maximum salary in each department using group by feature. Now same thing can be achieved using Java 8 features also, using stream API. Now the data might be different, but the functionality behind that is same. If you see, I have this employee list here. Now here if I want to find out the maximum salary in each particular department the employee has, how can I do that? Well, employees, which is a variable of employees list, then stream dot, then I can use collect. Here I will use collectors dot grouping by. Now this grouping by will take two arguments. First one, on what basis we have to do the grouping. So here I will mention employee get department. On departments basis we are going to do the grouping. The second argument will be, what do we have to do with this group data? We have to find out the maximum salary. So collectors dot maxBy I can use, and here I have to mention the comparator dot comparing, and here I have to mention the get salary. So here we will get the employee with the maximum salary and it is grouped by department. If I try to create a local variable for this, so if you see, it is returning a map. The key is a string, which is a department, and second one is an optional employee object. Now if I want to print out these results, so w dot stream dot what's wrong? Okay, w dot for each, and here I can pass two arguments. Since this for each is for the map which has key and value. So it will take two arguments. First one is department itself, and second one is an employee object, which is the optional. Let me put it in the bracket. We'll use lambda expression here. And here let's put something like department and max salary. So emp dot get salary. Now it is giving compilation error, and why is that? Void methods cannot return. Okay, let me put it in the system.out.println. Let me run this. Okay, so here also we have 4 distinct departments, and for each of these we have got the maximum salary the employee holds. Data might be different, but concept is same for the group by.